Right, so here's how to update your Tecno Camon 50 Pro. So you want to unlock your device, and if there's an update, more often than not, you'll see this update notification right here. But if not, you'll simply have to go to settings, scroll down and select settings. Under settings, tap on Tecno Camon 50 Pro. And right here, you're going to see the update now button. If you don't see it, you just simply tap on this and you'll see the option to update your device. So now, as you can see, mine is installing the system update. It's already downloading and installing. So give it a few moments. It's 0.9 gigs. So wait for it to download. Then we'll install it once it's done. So to update your device, make sure you have sufficient battery. It's recommended that your battery is of 50%. So I'm leaving slightly dangerously. Mine is just above 50%. It's at 51%. So let's wait for the download to complete and install. So once the download and installation is complete, your device will now optimize your device. This might also take a while, so be patient. So now, once the optimization is complete, you'll be asked to restart your device. So tap on restart now or restart after 2 minutes, but let's just tap on restart now. And your phone is going to restart. So be patient as the phone restarts. You should see the Tecno logo once again and hear a slight vibration. And your phone is now going to boot up as normal with the new update installed. There we go. So give it a few moments. And now you're going to be brought back to your normal screen. And as you can see, your phone is now updated. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.